Alrighty, so hello, good morning, welcome to December 2nd. That is day 2 of our Advent of Code challenge. Today I have already got started here. As you can see, I've created a day 2 script and I've started to lay out our basic foundations of information here because it is a little bit more complicated. It's not bad, but still it's a bit more information. Basically the gist of what it's asking us to do here is it's going to give us a list of numbers like that, or letters, sorry, like this, A, B, C, and X, Y, Z. These are the letters that represent rock, paper, or scissors. And what it wants us to do is add up a total score of a bunch of data that it gives us to see if we would win or lose the majority. Of course, the left-hand side is the opponent's rock, paper, or scissors, and the right-hand side would be our result as a competitor. So what you've got here is you can see A equals rock, B equals paper, C equals scissors, and then on the opposing side, X equals rock, Y equals paper, and Z equals scissors. Now, how we're going to add up our points is 1, 2, 3 points for rock, paper, scissors, and then addition, adding it to if you win, you lose, or you tie. If you win, you get 6 points. If you tie, you get 3 points, and if you lose, of course, you get 0. So that's kind of the legit, like the most part of it. So I've got all my information kind of here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stab at it, and I'm not going to bother recording the entire thing again today. But we will see how far we get, and then I'll check back in. So let's give this a go. Okay, so I have got a stab at it here. Now this is like the bare bones, super easiest way of doing this, which is basically just coding in all the possible options. And so that's basically what I've done here is I've just made it so that if my opponent gets 1, 2, or 3, so rock, paper, or scissors, and then if I reply with rock, paper, or scissors for each of those, it will just add up the individual amounts of points. Now, I have not tested this yet, so I don't know if this works, but let's just pop over into Unity here and create an empty game object, call this day 2, and reset this transform and give this a try. So if I drag day 2 on here and put in our test asset, our total points should come out to a score of 15 according to this document. So let's see if that works. No. Okay, so it's always something silly, hey? It was, once again, something silly. This is case sensitive, so each of these needed to be capitalized. You can actually see, if I go in here, what my input looks like. So I can just open this up and you can see this is what my text file looks like right now. So it is all capitals, and what I'll do is I will switch this back to a private string here, and now we should be good to go. So I said our results should be 15. And if we go to day 2 and hit run here, you can see this total number equals 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in our day 2 input data, which is this whole big long line of things. And if I hit play here, you should see our total is 12794. So the answer today is, I'll just copy this, 12794. And bring it in over here, and I will submit that answer, fingers crossed. That's correct. So we just got 1 gold star for collecting, and if you can see, hooray, good job. Did it, done it, and obviously this could be way more optimized than it is. This solution is really not a great one, but I am not gonna take the time to make it better because I've got things to do, I got places to be, and anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun. Let's do it again tomorrow, maybe. We'll see if I have the time.